Hello and welcome to Learningkeda. So today we are going to prepare this shape in SOLIDWORKS. So in this video we will learn how to prepare this shape in very easy way. So let's start the video. Open a new file, click Part, OK. In front place, take a sketch, line, click on this point, now select these two lines by pressing Ctrl and add relation equal. So we see these two lines will be equal, and by pressing Ctrl select this point and mid of this one, select relation vertical. So this point and mid of this point will be vertical. Now go in smart dimension, click on this line and add dimension 45. This will be 75. This point and this will be 15. Now our upper sketch will be prepared. So exit from smart dimension and exit from sketch, go in features, extrude boss base, and thickness will be 15 mm. So our upper shape will be ready. Now select bottom part, sketch, Ctrl 8, take square and draw one square. Now go in smart dimension, select this line. This line will be 7.5. This line will be 15. Now select this, will be 75. This side will be 30. Exit from smart dimension. Our lower base will be ready in form of sketch. Exit sketch, extrude boss base and add thickness 15 mm. Click OK. So our shape will be ready. So if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and